lighting. I apologize for my appearance, but I wanted to say happy Halloween, and this will be the start of our Halloween / weekly reset vlog. I wanted to go ahead and put in, wait. What is the, okay, now I'm not so sure which vlog I'm doing this for. Hold please. It's the day in the life undecorate and clean with me, but it's Halloween and I don't want to leave you guys without some fun clips from Halloween. So I actually am going to party prep for an event that's happening at my house. It is a little thing that we do every Halloween. It's kind of a tradition. Us and our friends, they come over. So I'm gonna make dinner and dessert. For dinner, I'm gonna actually be doing fried rice with veggie egg rolls. And then I actually have here on the table, I'm trying to cool the fried rice. You're supposed to use day-old fried rice, but I forgot to make it yesterday. So I made it today and I'm cooling it. And I'm gonna be sticking it in the fridge. Oh my gosh, look at the butterfly. Oh, wait. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. But I'm gonna be putting it in the fridge, and for dessert, I'm going to be making a pumpkin spice cake cobbler in the crock pot, which I will go ahead and put in right now. Are you proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself, Dorian? What? High five. No.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, Jude.
All right, here's the second.
What do you say when you get to the door? No. What do you say? Trick or treat.
Yeah, pull it up.
Dorian. Dorian, look. Show him your conductor outfit. How cute you look. Jude, go stand by your brother.
Okay, now can you...
Go stand by your brother.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
I'm too fat.
Hold on.
Say trick or treat. Trick or treat.
I have my cricket. I cricket. Look at it.
Dorian, show me your outfit. Wait, Grandma's trying to get in her costume.
Yeah, see? That's fine. You're tripping.
Okay.
Now put your hand in there.
Which way? This one?
No, but
Okay.
that one.
Don't say that. You're on camera. Trick or treat.
Alright, then that
I'm
one.
too fat.
You're not too fat. That's a man's costume. Here.
Where's?
No.
Is it my face?
Bella, show me your hat.
You don't feel the power source. So something like this. Hold on, dude. Hold on. I'm
I
trying
don't
to...
feel nothing.
Dorian, go look at Grandma. Go look at... Wait. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday and it is November 1st. I'm so excited because this means it's Christmas season. We're gonna take down all of the fall decor, all of the Halloween decor, put it away for the year, and do a good clean of the general areas of the house. So that way for my next video, I can decorate on a clean surface. So we're gonna get to do that today. I already had my Starbucks, I had breakfast. Dorian still has pink eyes, so he is still at the house with me. Let's say hi to little baby Dorian. I put him in his Halloween jammies. Dorian, say hi. Dorian. Dorian, say hi. So yeah, let's be productive and get to it. Okay, so I've gotten the bins from the garage. I use the green one for my Halloween decor with the lid. I know which one it is. The other one I marked as Christmas, but honestly, I think I'm going to put the fall decor in there because yellow kind of feels more fallish than Christmas, and put my Christmas stuff in my clear bins. So next year, I can just get this stuff more quickly and not have to look through all the bins to see what is where, because the garage is not organized, and that is definitely something I'm gonna get to in one of the weekly resets. Gonna convince my mom to go out there with me and just, I don't know, man, like it needs a lot of help. So I'm gonna collect all of my Halloween and fall stuff from around the house, and I'm gonna put it on the couch right here so that way I can see what I have and see what needs to go where. So let's go ahead and start that. Body Works and get a Christmas version of this one. I love this candle holder. I think it's so pretty and it adds such a nice like oomph to just a regular candle. And if you guys are looking for new candle scents, you gotta go to Target and try this one. It's called Lavender Lemonade, and I know it sounds weird, but it smells so good. Kind of like, it makes your house smell like lemonade, and who doesn't want that? This can actually, oh, you know what? I have 3 new candles from Yankee Candles that were gifted to me that are Christmas scents. So I think I'm gonna put this one in our room for now and just burn it there and bring the Christmas one. I also don't have a lot of storage, and I have a lot of mugs that are specific to holidays and seasons. So what I like to do is pack my coffee mugs away with my holiday decor, so that way when I bring them out with all of the decor, they're new and exciting, and it sparks joy in my life every time. Okay guys, I think that accounts for all of the inside decor. Let's do a little zoom in of everything. So, this is everything. Oh my god, I have no head. I have no head, folks. This is all of the decor that I'm going to be putting away. Do you guys see my sweatshirt? How many of you guys out there love Schitt's Creek? And David is my ultimate favorite character. I know this is a phrase by his sister, but I thought it was pretty funny, especially because my husband's name is David. He didn't think it was too funny, so now it makes me want to wear it even more, you know? So let's start putting this stuff in the bins. Dorian, let's show them how you can count to 10 in Spanish. Uno.
No. Seis. Ocho. Cinco. Seis. Siete. Ocho. Nueve. 10.
Tickles! What do you want? Dorian, what do you want? He's like, not you, Mom. Not you. He usually says tickles after. So I thought maybe that's what he wanted, but he didn't. It's okay, I'm not heartbroken. just wanted to hop on here and say thank you guys so much for spending time with me while I undecorate and clean the house. I hope you like the little tidbits that I added from Halloween. I didn't want you guys to feel left out or anything, because I wasn't going to be making a vlog entirely for that. If you guys haven't already, if you could please leave a sunflower down in the comments if you've reached it this far in the video. I'd greatly appreciate that. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do that. Go ahead and click the bell if you want to get alerted every time a new video comes up. Thanks again, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.